Direct tanong ko lang sa'yo, paano ka muling nakabangon doon sa matinding pagsubok, sama ng loob, sa mga akusasyon sa'yo after the hiwalayan?
Siyempre, my support system ko has always been there. But really, going back to your faith, I've always been a man of faith. May takot ako sa Diyos. Pero I think lahat naman tayo guilty na kung kailan masarap ang buhay mo, everything is going great, masaya ka, minsan nakakalimutan mo magpasalamat. Pinalaki ako ng mami ko na to have faith, for your faith to be strong. And siguro during the time where I was just so focused on my family and everything was going well in my life, nakalimutan ko siya. Nakalimutan ko magpasalamat. So, with good friends and of course, family ko, they helped me get back to my faith. Para siyang reminder, kumatok sa pinto si Lord na, huy, nandito ako. Yeah, I just turned my focus to Him, and kahit anong ingay, kahit anong problema, binigay ko na lang sa Kanya.
Kung kaya mong mabuhay sa tundo, kaya mo ring mabuhay saan man sa mundo.
Morley Alinio. Ito ang Tundo.